I'll be sharing us a video on how you can push a futures trading on your Bybit exchange. We are on the home page of the exchange, Bybit. Now, so for you to push trade on futures using your Bybit, you click on trade. You can see it at the center here. Then when you click on that, then here the thing is already on futures there. If you look at the top here, you can see it's on futures. So, but most times it will be on sports, but you have to move it to futures. Okay. Now, for what we have here, now you can see the leverage. The leverage is 50x. Then the way you are trading, are you trading on cross or isolation? So this is isolated. So this is isolated, but we use cross most times. Now, when you are using isolated, that means whatever you are putting inside the trade, immediately the trade reverses against you. You can only lose what you are staking on that trade. But if you have cross, let's say, let me explain this isolated very well. Let's say you have let's say you have 100 USDT and you are trading at, let's say, 5%. That is 5 USDT on that trade. Now in this isolated, if you are not using stop loss, definitely if you are not using stop loss, that means you have what's it called, you have $5 staked. Then if you're not using stop loss, but you are bringing in $5 into the trade. So for this isolated, when your $5 that you brought into the trade has been exhausted and trade is still going against you, it will take you out. But if it is on cross, it won't take you out. It will move to the rest of the money you have in the account. Are you with me now? So far you're not using stop loss. So they have their advantage. There are times you trade and liquidity might just take you out, and you see the market start reversing. Start going in your direction, I meant. You understand? So that's the reason why most times I advise traders to use stop loss. So when you use stop loss, then definitely you don't have to worry about anything that much in the market. So far you know what you are doing. So I use cross though, but despite that I use stop loss for all my trades. Now the next thing we have here, I showed you this is the leverage. You can increase it when you click on this. You can see we have 1x, 3x, 100x. Then we have customized. You understand? Then we have customized. So you can customize what you want. So the more the leverage, the faster you can make money, and also the faster you can lose money. Now the next thing is this. See where we have limits. Yeah, when you have limit, that means this is the current price in the market. See the current price in the market. You can see the price is moving. That's the current price in the market. So it's either you place your trade on current price, or you place, because these are the two ones we use most times, limit and market price. So for this limit, that means if price have not gotten to where you are expecting the price to get to for you to sell or for you to buy, then you use limit. So when you use limit, definitely you have to enter your price. Are you with me now? You have to enter your price. Okay. Now as it is currently, you then come to the next one here to enter the quantity. But I only move this. It's easier if you move this this button here. So if I move it like this, it shows the percentage I'm staking. Can you see? It shows the percentage, so it's easier for you to just drag this around. So it will be easier for you that way. Then the next thing for you is to set your stop loss. You have to click on this. You can see we have SL. You can see we have SL here, TP and SL. TP is take profit and SL is stop loss. So I have to tick this. Can you see? Then when I tick this, then I set my take profit and set my stop loss. So if I'm buying, I click on open long, and if I'm selling, I click on open short. So that's just how you place your trade on Bybit. Very easy. Very easy. So immediately you place your trade, around there you see your order will be in the description here what you have placed trade on, the price, your entry, and take profit and your stop loss. You get that now. So that's how you use Bybit to trade features. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you.